Hello all and welcome back to my channel and my closet. If you're new here, my name is AJ and I post new videos every Thursday about baking and lifestyle. Now you might be wondering, why are we in your closet? And the answer is pretty simple. This is where I'm going to be doing most of my Halloween shopping. That's right, I'm going to find most of my Halloween costumes from my closet. This is going to be a great video for those of you who have left your Halloween costume shopping for the last minute, or the people that are just feeling thrifty and want to use things that they already have. Speaking of thrifty, I do have a couple of costumes that I actually got from the thrift store, so I'll be including those as well. Thrift stores are a great option for people who leave it to the last minute, want to save a bit of cash, whatever else, or you're just looking for a good secondhand costume. So keep watching to see my closet Halloween costumes as well as my thrifted ideas.
For costume number 1, I went with an all black Gangster number. I figured this costume would work pretty easily from anyone's closet. Just a black pair of pants, a black shirt, black blazer, and because I happened to have a houndstooth fedora, I added that to the mix. You definitely don't have to include that in your look, but this is a nice, easy first costume that you can definitely pull together from your closet. Next, we have a festive non-costume costume. This is a long sleeve sheer black blouse with a skull pattern on it. I think this is especially great if you want to wear something festive to the office, but maybe you're not allowed to wear an actual full costume. This would also be great to wear to those Halloween parties where costumes are not required. Now we have a classic pulled from the closet costume, and this is a waiter outfit. You can really do anything with this costume. I happened to have a striped short sleeve shirt with a pocket, and I just paired that with a pair of black pants and a notebook and a pencil so I could jot down fake orders. I think that this costume is super easy, very fun, still super festive. If you wanted to go kind of above and beyond, you could always add like a name tag or a hairnet if you happen to have one. But overall, quick, easy costume and definitely passes the Halloween requirement of being fun. Next, we have another non-costume costume, and this is simply a long sleeve Halloween themed shirt. This is such a soft shirt. I actually wore this to Elitch's for their Fright Nights. It was fantastic because it kept me warm, but I still felt really festive and fun in the spirit of Halloween. I think it's always great to remember that you don't have to wear a costume if you don't want to, but if you feel like being festive, do what you want. Next up, we have the Decades costumes. These are always super popular for Halloween. You can really dress up from any decade that you want, and thrift stores are a fantastic place to find costumes for this. I was able to put together a 50s, 60s, and 70s look that I'll be showing you here in a second, but I did just want to insert some clips of shopping at the thrift store so that you can see there really is a huge selection that you can choose from. Everything from brand new costumes to used costumes to the standard thrift store fare of used clothing. And it's a great way to find those decades costumes as well as any other kind of costume. So working backwards in time, we will start with our 70s costume. I found this adorable 70s inspired dress at the thrift store and I thought it was so cute. I love the bell sleeves and the tie front detail. I think with a pair of knee-high boots, it would be especially festive. I did also really like the necklace that I paired with it. It just sort of brought those 70s vibes all around. I think the 70s are always a fun decade to dress up as. I mean, who doesn't want to be a hippie? Jumping back another 10 years, we have entered the 60s. I love this 60s inspired shift dress. It's so cute and very flattering on the figure. I love the way that it sort of falls just above knee length so that it is comfortable and cute at the same time. I think this option is an especially great option for someone that wants to be able to rewear their Halloween costume in non-Halloween settings while still keeping that festive spirit for the night of Halloween. For our final backwards time travel, we have our 50s outfit. I love this dress and I would 100% wear it on non-Halloween nights, but I think it's especially cute for a Halloween outing. Again, super flattering on the figure. I personally love the 50s aesthetic. I went with a more tight-fitting 50s outfit, which is not something people usually think of, but this silhouette is definitely 50s. I think this is a great Halloween option if you're wanting, again, to be able to rewear this dress in the future, or if you're just looking for an especially cute, out-of-the-box 50s costume for Halloween night. Next, we move on to our character costumes. These are always super fun, but can be a little expensive, so making them yourself is a cost-effective option. First up, we have Alice in Wonderland. I love this costume. I started with a blue dress from my closet, and then I found a white dress from the thrift store that I turned into an apron pinafore. Super cute, very easy, very cost efficient. I also just added a chunky watch so I can check the time. I know that's more the rabbit's thing, but I think it works for Alice too. Next up, we have a fan favorite, Harley Quinn. This costume is super easy. All you really need is a pair of blue shorts, a red jacket, and some sort of graphic white tee. And if you're feeling extra, a baseball bat. If you wanted to, you could definitely tie your hair back into 2 pigtails and dye each of the ends, but I think that that's really optional. People are going to know who you are if you're carrying a baseball bat. And for our last costume, it's not just a regular costume, it's a cool costume. The mom from Mean Girls. This is a super simple costume. All you need is some sort of matching tracksuit. I had a pink one with a pink striped jacket, and if you wanted to, you could definitely put on some heels, carry a cocktail, and you're good to go.
There you have it. I hope that you were able to find a Halloween costume from my ideas. And of course, I hope that you were able to brainstorm some of your own as well from your closet. Please leave me a comment down below. Let me know, what are you going to be for Halloween this year? I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the little bell icon so you get notified every time I post a new video. Bye!